Hello, my sweetie pies. It's wonderful to see you here today. I hope you are enjoying a fantastic day so far. I wanted to just go over addition again. I know I had a video last week that went through addition and subtraction, but it was a lot of information. So I just thought I would do one today. We'll focus on addition. So in your green colored booklet, you should be almost done your plant unit. If you're not quite done, no problem. That's okay. Just keep plugging away. You're doing amazing. But I'm just going to keep going through and making sure you have all the tools that you need in order to complete everything, okay? So here is the addition page that I am focusing on. This is in your bugs and life cycles unit in your blue book, or sorry, in your green book. And this is exactly the page. So it has cute little bugs on one side. It has an answer box, and then it breaks it down into the numbers and then the answer box again. So here's what you're going to do. We are going to take two small groups of bugs. We're going to put them together and figure out how many there are in each group, okay? I am not going to do the whole page for you. I am just going to do the first question and the last question, and the rest is up to you, okay? You've got this. So let's look at question number one. We have one cutie pie little bug. We are adding one more cutie pie little bug to the group. So how many do we have in that group? Let's count. 1, 2. Excellent. And if you need help drawing that 2, you can just look under this next question because there are 2 2s right here. So I'm just going to flip the book and draw a 2 in that box. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like, okay? So there is my number 2. Now I'm going to trace this one and this one. So we have 1 plus 1. So we have one bug plus another bug gives us 2 bugs. Excellent. So I'm going to trace those. So just bear with me for a moment. Have you been outside enjoying the sunshine, I hope? Going for lots of walks, getting lots of exercise, doing brain breaks at home. That's fantastic. Okay, so there you go. Mrs. C just traced the 1 and the 1. So this is just a different way to show the same thing. We are using pictures here and we're using numbers here. So what is 1 plus 1? So we have one finger. Let me put down the pencil. Sorry. We have one finger plus another finger. How many fingers does that give us? 1, 2. 1, 2. Very good. So we're going to write the same answer in this box that we have in this box. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to draw my number 2 as carefully as I can because I always want to do my best work for school, right? Always, always. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. Excellent job. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Yeah, we got this math thing. All right, so now we're going to do the bottom one. Are you ready? This is a little bit trickier because there are more bugs that we're adding together. In this instance, we're adding butterflies. So we're going to count the number of butterflies here. We have 1, 2, 3 butterflies in this group over here. How many do we have in our other group? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 butterflies in this group over here. So if we take this group of butterflies and this group of butterflies and we make one big happy giant group of butterflies, how many do we have? Well, let's take a look. Let's count. I would love for you to count with me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have one group if we combine the group of 3 and the group of 5, and that makes 8. Now remember to draw an 8. It's like a snowman without a head. So just 2 big circles, one on top of the other. So I'm going to do that right now. Going to draw my big circles. So we have one big circle and then an even bigger circle on the bottom, just like a snowman without a head. So now what we're going to do, we're going to replace the pictures with our numbers. So this means exactly the same thing as this. 3 butterflies, adding 5 more butterflies to our group to make it one big happy group of butterflies. So 3 plus 5 equals, so Mrs. C is just going to, what do you have to do? Do you remember? Trace. Good job. We have to trace. So I'm going to take my time tracing, and I want you to tell me all about what you've been up to while I'm tracing my numbers as carefully as I can. So I'm going to be quiet. What have you been up to? Oh my gosh, sounds like you're having an amazing time. Good for you. That's wonderful. Okay, so here we go. We've got 3 butterflies, that's these guys, and another 5 butterflies, that's these guys. And what does 3 plus 5 equal? You can count again on the butterflies, or you can use your fingers. We have 3 fingers, let's add 5 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now count Mrs. C's fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 butterflies all together. So Mrs. C is going to draw my snowman without a head. Et voila! 3 butterflies plus 5 butterflies equals 8 butterflies. Now I'm going to leave these 2 questions all up to you. Good luck with your addition. You're going to do amazing. All right, my sweethearts, I'm going to say goodbye now. Have a wonderful rest of your day.